Hi folks! Here's a glimpse of how we built and grew our first bean teepee. I first marked a circle on the ground and then removed the lawn. Then I fastened a bunch of sticks together with a rope. And finally added some twine for support. And 2 bags of garden soil. I've got some scarlet runner beans here. I will add a spoon of inoculant to boost their growth. This is the first year I am using it, and for my small garden this seems like an overkill. When planting, I space them about 2 inches apart.
Plant! Look! It's grubby gone for the storm! This plant is taller than me!
The beans are growing taller on the south side. Beans flowers are a delight for bumblebees and hummingbirds. I am going to pick the first batch and do a taste test. Cook them together with some bacon. They were a bit stringy, so probably it's better to pick them when they're smaller. Or the other option is to collect the mature seed pods. What are your favorite pole beans? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.